Stuck with the Mpengine.dll failure compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. Before we begin our Mpengine walkthrough, you can try the suggested utility to help clear environment conflicts and save time. This is the Mpengine, the Microsoft Malware Protection Engine library. This is the brain of Windows Defender, responsible for real-time scanning, heuristic analysis, and definition updates. If missing or corrupted, the Windows Security Dashboard will report that antivirus protection is turned off, and the system will be left completely vulnerable to threats as the scanning engine cannot bootstrap. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. Mpengine is an essential component maintained directly by the operating system. To resolve this, run sfc/scannow from an administrator command prompt to perform a full integrity scan and repair any corrupted Windows binaries. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Mpengine file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure-level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. If the restart failed to clear the system error, our next step is a deep cleanup of the OS servicing folders. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, uses Microsoft's remote server repository to overwrite damaged system source files and restore your OS framework to its original state. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Be aware that manual fixes for Mpengine.dll often create more problems than they solve. Incorrect file versions can cause cascading crashes across other applications, making your PC significantly less stable than before. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. If registry clutter or Mpengine inconsistencies are suspected, the maintenance tool below offers general documentation. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped Mpengine workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.